This is an extra video. I thought you'd enjoy seeing proof of the pudding. We just worked to lap this into that. Guess what? If I bring this real close, you can see it. Yeah. See how on the side there's a shiny black area, and then right there there's the gray. The gray is the sanding marks from the 1000 grit stone. The gray, all this center section here. Why is that black? The very edge is black because that's what I lapped. The mouthpiece with those little teeny side channels that are not even a millimeter. Those things got lapped into this. And do you know, if I take my fingernail I can feel I can hear it. Shh. You can hear it when it drops. How about that? It's not a lot. I'm saying that I took 14 10,000ths off on both sides. But what do we end up with? Parts that fit perfectly. The mouthpiece, of course, is very precise. The slide is very precise. And now, that comb is very precise. And so, when I put this in, it has just the teeniest amount for slide oil. And when it's got the right down pressure on it, it'll be perfect. So that means that this underside is nice and snug to the slide, and the underside of the slide is nice and snug to the comb, and so air doesn't escape. Air is going to escape anywhere where the parts are not precisely fit together. That's where air gets out. And that's, I'll demonstrate what an airtight harp does. This is a Grigor Mare that's been customized with a ergo button. But here's what an airtight harp will do. With the lightest of air, it fires. And if I want to control vibrato, perfect control, because when I control the air, the instrument's like, yes, sir. It's doing exactly what I want it to do, because it's a precise instrument that is totally airtight. Even Boo Boo knows this. Look, see? Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you? Oh, you're so smart. He's a smart dog. Even Boo Boo knows.